Here is why you don't need motivation. You need consistency. Hey, I am Juliet, and in this video, I am spilling the tea on how motivation fooled me and how building real structure saved my energy, my goals, and my self-respect. Stick around till the end because I will give you the exact system I use now to stay consistent even on days I want to quit. So a few years ago, I joined the gym for the first time, and it wasn't easy because it was expensive. I needed to pay 3 or 6 months in advance, plus subscription, plus, buying sport shoes and clothes and blah, blah, blah. But I managed to do it. And then I started to tell everyone, about this new project, this new personal challenge. And I was feeling very proud of myself and telling everyone that everyone was going to see, right, my new version. But guess what? By day 3, I was still in. Day 5, I hit snooze once, then twice. Day 6, I completely ghosted my personal challenge. But here is where it gets embarrassing. At a coffee shop, I was gathering with my friends, and someone I knew approached me and asked me how was my fitness life going. Oh my God, I literally froze mid-speed. My brain screamed, "Abort mission." That was the moment I realized motivation is a hype friend who disappears when you need her most. What I actually needed wasn't more energy, it was more structure. I started small. I built a basic routine with things I actually enjoy doing. I made the tasks so easy I could not skip them. I tracked my progress. I stopped expecting myself to feel inspired every day. That shift changed everything. I finally started finishing what I started and feeling proud, not guilty. If this resonates, then you need more than just hacks. You need healing. I created a workshop called Revive and Flourish where we go deeper into healing the emotional roots behind procrastination and self-sabotage. You will learn real tools from psychology and personal growth to transform your patterns and finally build the life you deserve. Link in the description. It will be available in June, or comment Revive and Flourish and I will send you the link with discount. You don't need motivation, you need a system, healing and support. Let's build it together. Check out this.